What's up, guys? Today we're going to be going over trade, a target area that I think this could assist in teaching. If you're an educator, it would be a 9th grade social studies class. And to start off, trade, we're going to learn about the types of trade. First type of trade is a barter system. It's one of the earliest forms. A lot of kids learn this when they were younger. It's strictly trading goods for goods, services for services. So, for example, of a real life example that happens around here, there's swap days in Lucasville, and out there you can literally trade a good for a good as long as both parties are happy. Then there's international / global trade. It was recently established around the beginning of the 20th century and helped lead to economic growth. What this is trading between different countries. It'd be like us trading with China, us trading with Mexico, us trading with Canada. And then there's domestic and internal trade. It's also a very old form. It's not as old as the barter system, but because it has become more widespread within countries. And domestic and internal trade is like Hawaii trading with California, trading sugarcane for avocados and stuff like that. Where does trade happen? The most common place you can see trades happen is markets. That can be simply as a gas station, grocery store. If you want to go pick up a video game at GameStop, that's trade too. And what you're trading is you're getting a good for a price. So say you go to a gas station, you fill up your car and it costs you $25. You traded $25 for a full tank of gas. And it can also happen on the global level. Two countries, it's just trading between themselves. And a good example of that is NAFTA, which is the North American Free Trade Agreement, that lets the United States, Mexico, and Canada trade freely between each other.